Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of GitLab Inc., a leading AI-powered DevSecOps platform. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
GitLab Inc. reported strong financial results for the second quarter of fiscal year 2025, with total revenue of $182.6 million, marking a 31% year-over-year increase. The company achieved significant GAAP and non-GAAP operating margin expansion, with GAAP operating loss narrowing to $41.0 million and non-GAAP operating income reaching $18.2 million. GitLab also reported a GAAP net income of $12.9 million and a non-GAAP net income of $24.5 million. The company continues to see growth in its customer base and has made significant strides in AI and security solutions.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
The major business segments performed as follows. Subscription, self-managed and SaaS, $163.2 million, up from $122.1 million in the same period last year. License, self-managed and other, $19.4 million, up from $17.5 million in the same period last year.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP gross margin for the current quarter was 88%, compared to 89% in the same period last year. The non-GAAP gross margin remained consistent at 91% for both the current quarter and the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were $202.2 million, compared to $178.9 million the same period last year. The non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were $147.5 million, compared to $131.4 million in the same period last year.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Key points of the balance sheets include total assets, $1,376.3 million as of July 31, 2024, compared to $1,307.9 million as of January 31, 2024. Total liabilities, $688.3 million as of July 3, 2024, compared to $699.9 million as of January 31, 2024. Total stockholders' equity, $688 million as of July 31, 2024, compared to $607.9 million as of January 31, 2024.
What are the key points of the cash flow statements?
Key points of the cash flow statements include net cash provided by operating activities, $11.7 million for the current quarter. Net cash used in investing activities, $5.2 million for the current quarter. Net cash provided by financing activities, $12 million for the current quarter.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities include operating activities. Net cash provided by operating activities was $11.7 million. Investing activities. Net cash used in investing activities was $5.2 million. Financing activities. Net cash provided by financing activities was $12.9 million.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter include named a leader in the first-ever 2024 Gartner Magic Quadrant for AI Code Assistance. Announced the general availability of GitLab Duo Enterprise, an end-to-end AI add-on for DevSecOps teams. Achieved in-process designation at the moderate impact level from the Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program, FedRAMP. Released the 8th Annual Global DevSecOps Report.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Key risks and challenges highlighted include ability to effectively manage growth, revenue growth rate in the future, ability to achieve and sustain profitability, security and privacy breaches, intense competition and loss of market share, ability to respond to rapid technological changes, market growth for services, decline in customer renewals and expansions, fluctuations in operating results, incorporation of artificial intelligence features, general economic conditions.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
For the third quarter of fiscal year 2025, GitLab expects revenue between $187 million and $188 million. For the full fiscal year 2025, the company expects revenue between $742 million and $744 million.
What are the expected operating expenses and other relevant financial projections for the next period?
For the third quarter of fiscal year 2025, GitLab expects non-GAAP operating income between $19 million and $20 million. For the full fiscal year 2025, the company expects non-GAAP operating income between $55 million and $58 million.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
GitLab Inc. has demonstrated strong financial performance with significant revenue growth and margin expansion. The company continues to innovate with AI and security solutions, gaining recognition in the industry. Despite some challenges, GitLab's strategic initiatives and strong guidance indicate a positive outlook for the future.
That's all for today's analysis of GitLab Inc.'s impressive performance and growth prospects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think GitLab is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.